Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's time to deck the halls. I love using gingerbread for decorating, and today I'm going to share with you how to make these adorable gingerbread snow globe cookies centerpieces. I'm also teaming up with my good friend Marlene from Montreal Confections. Marlene is sharing her snow globe idea on her YouTube channel. Link to the tutorial is going to be posted down below in the description box. To make the gingerbread snow globe cookies, I cut out the gingerbread pieces. We have two pieces. One is the top piece, which is about 1/4 inch thick, and the bottom piece is about 1/8 of an inch. I'm going to brush a really thin layer of blue royal icing on the bottom piece, and for both recipes, royal icing and gingerbread dough for centerpieces that I like to use, you can visit my blog. Links to the recipes are in the description box under this video. We're going to let this dry, make sure that it's covering up the whole opening, and now we can start decorating the top part. So I'm using about 15-second consistency red royal icing, and we're going to outline and flood with the same consistency. If you don't have a fancy tool like this, you can also utilize a toothpick. Let that crust for about 20 minutes and then take white royal icing, also 15-second consistency, and ice the top part. If you are not familiar with the term 15-second consistency, be sure to check the description box. There is also a tutorial that explains this term. Using wet on wet technique, I'm going to blend in a little bit of light blue. Now you can do this before or after you do your white part. I'm just using my needle tool, scraping the surface, giving me a better outline, so I know where to start piping my tree. So basically I'm just doing a triangle, and then we're going to use the tool, needle tool or a toothpick, to shape the icing. You're gonna have to let that crust for about 30-40 minutes or so, and then use black royal icing piping consistency, and we're going to add the lights. I'm using rainbow sprinkles, and for the top of the tree I'm going to add a yellow star. I'm adding some white dots for the snow. To decorate the top of the snow globe, I'm going to add just one big snowflake in the center using piping consistency white royal icing. Now it's time to glue it together. So I'm adding a little bit of icing on the bottom, just around the blue section and the bottom section, just so we have enough glue there. Add a little snowflake there, and for the base, For the base, I'm using a really super easy and really fun technique. So we're just gonna spread a thin layer of stiff royal icing on the bottom. Let it set for about 5 minutes or so. It should still be pretty pliable. And then use your needle tool or a toothpick and make the stars like this. Make sure that you wipe the tip of the tool that you're using into a paper towel. Let that dry, and then using some stiff royal icing, we're going to glue the snow globe. If needed, you can use sprinkles or a small bottle to support it while it's drying. And once it's dry, you can remove the bottles and enjoy your snow globe centerpiece. Also, before we finish this tutorial, be sure to check Marlene's tutorial on her YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.